Nutcracker Adventure, 24 unique videos, one different video every day leading up to Christmas. Today is day 10 and I felt that follow along stretching routine down on the floor would be perfect for everyone. So just follow me, legs together, and let's get to it. So we are going to lower chest slowly forward. You can either keep your toes flexed, pointed or flexed, but try to open chest and keep your straight line between your neck, your head, and your back. I'm stretching my calves, like really stretching. Don't forget to breathe. Up. You're gonna bend one knee, open by your side, and you're gonna reach forward. This is a very important part of your training, stretching. It's really important. It's as important as warming up. So never forget to stretch. Mostly that we have been doing exercises for the last 10 days without stop. So it's really important. Now we're gonna reach to the side. Feel this side stretching, really stretching. Shoulders back and keep your chin up and your neck really long. Don't break or don't let your head too loose position. Recover and do the same with the other leg. Bend, open, stretch, upright position, and reach forward. Lower slowly. Nice. Don't forget to breathe. We're gonna reach to the side. Okay, perfect. Next we are going to do butterfly position. And just hold that position there. Really nice and tall. Press knee down. Just that. Just hold it there. Shouldn't hurt at all. If it hurts, you can use your fingertips on the back and still keep a right position. Now we're gonna open. You can either open to a really big split. I wouldn't recommend that yet, just a little bit. Hold it there. You can rotate in and out. Gentle, please. Just to activate hips rotation and really just stretch there. Now we're gonna reach toward our toes, alternating from one side to the other one. Two more. One. Awesome. We're gonna join legs together. We're gonna rest in our backs. You're gonna bend left knee. You're gonna lift your right leg. You're gonna bend your knee and your foot, right foot is gonna touch your left knee. Now, you're gonna lift your left foot. Your right hand goes inside and grab behind your left knee and your left arm grabs as well behind your left knee. Now you're gonna press towards your chest and with your right elbow, press your right knee back. This is so good for hamstring stretching. Oh my God. If you want to increase the stretch, you can even stretch your left knee, press towards your chest. Now we're gonna change legs. So, left foot on top of your right knee, left hand inside, right arm, grab left hand, bend your right foot, and press towards your chest. Left elbow, pressing against your left knee, press it back. Awesome. You want to increase, stretch your right foot, grab your toes, or arch of your foot. Oh my God. Nice. You're gonna free the position. You're gonna bend your right knee. You're going to look towards the left side, so your knee goes towards the left side and you're gonna look towards the right side. So you're gonna feel a twist on your back. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Change. So your left knee goes towards the right side. you have to be feeling that stretch, even in your glutes muscles. I'm stretching my glutes here. Recover, up. Oh. Now, you're just gonna twist back slightly. So, your right hand goes to your left knee, your left hand looks back, and you're going to slightly twist, face back. And recover center. Left hand, right knee, right hand behind you, and try to lift your back. Breathe in and out. Awesome, recover forward. Now, you're going to have your left knee on top of right knee, or right knee on top of left. I just want to make sure that you remember which one is on top. We're gonna lay forward. So both knees are together. And we go down. This is a great stretch as well for my glutes muscle. Try to sit both glutes on the floor, yeah? And at the same time, keep lowering down. I'm gonna change. And lower down. And just like that, we have done close to 7 minutes of a nice stretching down on the floor. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these exercises, if you would like to see something different, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new, because tomorrow we have more surprises. See you tomorrow.